Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to show you this super cute and simple nail art. If you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Alright ladies, so today I'm back with another nail video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I design my friend's nails. Here you see I am cutting them down into a stiletto shape using my scissors. Super easy. This design is so easy, anyone can do it. I hope you guys enjoy. Again, I am not a professional. This is just something I taught myself how to do, and I enjoy doing it when I don't feel like getting my nails done. Here you see I'm going in with a nail file. If you haven't seen my video before this one where I showed you how I applied these nails, the video will be in my description. Please check that out if you haven't done so already. Here I am going in with my nail drill and I am cleaning around her cuticles so that way we can get a polished look. So we're gonna go in with this nail polish. This is my friend nail polish. She was so happy to use. As you can see, she was excited to show you all. So with this is like a splattered paint look. We had to go in about 3 coats to get the achieved look that she wanted. It's a really cute polish. If I can find a link to it, I'll put that in the description as well. Here I'm going in with a clear coat. It's a gel base coat. And I'm using my white shimmer. I'm going all over the nail with this. I'm telling you guys, this is going to be super cute, super easy. So with her nails, I did the same exact designs on both hands. Just switch it up and use different fingers. So I might have did, the white shimmer on the thumb, but then I did the white shimmer on the index finger. I just switched it up. So here I'm going in with this soft pink gel polish. I'm putting all over her nail. Now I'm going in with my clear gel base coat and I am going to put this super cute gold shimmer all over her nail. I just love the way this gold came out. Okay guys, so now I am junking my girl nails out. This is the first time I junked out nails. I mean, like, I only had been doing nails for like a month, so of course. But she let me junk out her nails and they came out absolutely stunning. What I did was I had ordered this rhinestone kit. I put it in the description box and they had different size rhinestones and I just used different size rhinestones all over her nails. I just acted like I knew what I was doing, and baby girl, let me tell you, they came out so cute. This hand I junked it out as well, but this time I used a few bigger pieces to help fill in so we wouldn't have so much of the different size rhinestones. Came out so cute. If you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do appreciate you watching my video. Also, let me know in the comments, have you ever done your nails before, or are you thinking about doing your nails before? I would love to know what you guys are doing. So this one, I just freestyle with some gems. I just started off with 2 of the same size rhinestones, and then as I went out onto the sides, I just went smaller in size, and it came out so gorgeous. Now I'm curing everything. Keep in mind, ladies, I didn't show you, but every time you do something with the gel, go under the dryer. And this is the finished look. I am so happy with the way it came out. I appreciate my friend letting me experiment with her nails. She also has a YouTube channel. I'll leave her link for her YouTube channel in my description as well. Shout out to Simply Drip. But yes, I really do love the way these nails came out. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Mwah.